Welcome to this video on XLOOKUP, the modern way to find data in Microsoft Excel. XLOOKUP is a powerful successor to the VLOOKUP function. It is simpler, more versatile, and becoming the new best practice for Excel lookups. So what exactly is XLOOKUP? It is a powerful Excel function that searches for a value and returns the corresponding data from another column or row. Some of the key features of XLOOKUP are its flexible search direction, simpler syntax compared to VLOOKUP, and built-in error handling. Let's compare XLOOKUP with VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is the traditional lookup function, but it comes with limitations and a complex syntax. On the other hand, XLOOKUP is the modern replacement, offering enhanced flexibility and simplicity. VLOOKUP is now considered a legacy function, while XLOOKUP is the modern function to use. Now let's explore the basic syntax of XLOOKUP. The formula structure is as follows: XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, lookup value, comma, lookup array, comma, return array, close parenthesis. The lookup value is the value you want to find. The lookup array is where you want to search for the value. The return array is the data you want to return when the value is found. Here's a simple example of how to use XLOOKUP. Imagine a table containing employee names and their respective departments. To find Sarah Johnson's department, you can use the formula XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, quotation mark Sarah Johnson, quotation mark, comma, A2:A5, comma, B2:B5, close parenthesis. In this formula, we're searching for Sarah Johnson in cells A2 to A5 and returning the corresponding value from cells B2 to B5. The result would be marketing. XLOOKUP offers several key advantages over VLOOKUP. It allows you to search left or right, perform exact and approximate matches, offers a simpler syntax, and has built-in error handling. VLOOKUP only searches to the right, has a complex syntax, and can break when columns change. XLOOKUP provides flexible direction, intuitive parameters, and is more robust and reliable. Let's dive into some advanced features of XLOOKUP. You can specify a custom message when no match is found, instead of getting an n/a error. XLOOKUP also provides control over exact matches, wildcard patterns, or approximate matching. To use error handling, the syntax is XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, value, comma, lookup, comma, return, comma, quotation mark not found, quotation mark, close parenthesis. To specify match mode, the syntax is XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, value, comma, lookup, comma, return, comma, 0, close parenthesis. The full syntax including search mode is XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, value, comma, lookup, comma, return, comma, quotation mark not found, quotation mark, comma, 0, comma, 1, close parenthesis. Here are some best practices to ensure success with XLOOKUP. Always use absolute references by locking your lookup and return arrays with dollar symbols. Add error handling by including the if underscore, not underscore found parameter for cleaner results. And test your formulas with known data before applying them to the full dataset. Key takeaways: XLOOKUP is the modern replacement for VLOOKUP. It has a simpler syntax and is more flexible. XLOOKUP also offers built-in error handling capabilities. So start using XLOOKUP today. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.